Good morning, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. My dear student, I am well by the same. Come back again, my dear student. Welcome to online class. I am present here to help you something in English grammar. Now, my dear student, I know that you are staying at home with your family members. So, my dear student, in this situation, I am present here to help you something in English grammar. So, firstly, my dear student, I introduce myself. I am Palash Kumar Ghosh, Assistant Head Teacher, Mowarakali High School, Kaliganj, Zinaidah. My dear student, the last class I had taken online class on transformation of sentence. I had already discussed on transformation of sentence part 1 and part 2. Today, my dear student, I am going to start the third part of transformation of sentence. My dear student, you know that I will discuss about assertive to exclamatory. My dear student, I hope that you are eagerly waiting to watch my online class. My dear student, if you watch my class, I hope you will be benefited. So, don't want to waste my time, my dear student. I am going to start today's online class. Look at the whiteboard. My dear student, today's topic is assertive to exclamatory. This is part 3 of transformation of sentence. My dear student, you know that you have already known that if you want to change any kinds of grammar, then of course you need to know the rules of that grammar. If you know the rules of that grammar, I am sure that you can easily solve any kinds of grammar. So now I am writing the rules from assertive to exclamatory. My dear student, I am writing the first rule. Please follow the whiteboard. Very or great. My dear student, if you see or find very or great in assertive sentence, then how to change from assertive to exclamatory? My dear student, I am writing this structure. How the rest part of very or great plus subject plus verb plus exclamation symbol. My dear student, if you see very or great, then if you want to change from assertive to exclamatory, then you have to follow this structure. Firstly, you have to write how, then the rest part of very or great, after very or great, and then subject, then verb plus the symbol of exclamation, and you have to cut out, you have to give up very or great. You have to change very or great. Now I am writing an example from assertive to exclamatory. He is very active boy. My dear student, please look. He is very active boy. So my dear student, firstly you have to look very. So actually we see very. If we see very, then you have to follow these rules. So firstly, how, and the rest part after very, the rest part of very or great, rest part, so active boy, and then subject he, is. Okay, my dear student. So I hope that you are clear. So my dear student, if you see very, then have, after very of great, and then active boy, and then subject and verb. Okay, my dear student. So I think you are clear about this rule. Okay, my dear student. Now I am going to clean this rule. I am going to the next rule, my dear student. The second rule. Every, a grade. My dear student, if you see every or a grade in any assertive sentence, then how to change from assertive to exclamatory? I am going to writing the rules. My dear student, follow this board, and after writing these rules, you can easily solve from assertive to exclamatory. Firstly, hot plus a or an plus the rest part after very or great plus subject plus verb plus exclamation. My dear student, this is the structure. What, a or an, rest part after very or great plus subject plus verb plus exclamation sign. My dear student, if you see a or an, you have to remember that after very or great, the word, if you see the word and the first letter, if vowel, then you have to use an, and the first letter is consonant, then you have to write a. So my dear student, I am writing an example. He leads a very miserable life. My dear student, please look, a very. So a very. So now my dear student, by following this structure, now I am going to solve. Firstly, hot, and my dear student, after very, miserable, m, the first letter m is consonant here, so we will get a, hot, a miserable life he leads, and the last you have to use the symbol of exclamation. Okay, my dear student, I think now you are clear about this rule. Okay, my dear student, now I am going to the third rule. Now my dear student, the third rule, please look. It is a matter of joy that it is a matter of sorrow that. My dear student, if you see in any assertive sentence, it is a matter of joy that and it is a matter of sorrow that, then you have to use in lieu of this hooray. Hooray. My dear student. Okay. Okay, my dear student, please listen. It is a matter of joy that. If you see it is a matter of joy that in assertive sentence, then you have to use hooray. And it is a matter of sorrow that, then you have to use alas. And after this, you have to use the symbol of exclamation. And then after this line, you have to use something. And so, no sense. After it is a matter of joy that, you should not change after that. So now my dear student, I am writing an example. It is a matter of joy that I have stood fast. So my dear student, it is a matter of joy that I have stood fast. So hooray I have stood first. Okay, my dear student. So it is a matter of joy that we have got hooray instead of, it is a matter of joy that. And after hooray you have to use the symbol of exclamation, and then no, since I have stood first. Okay, my dear student, I think you are clear about this rule. So now, my dear student, I am going to write the another rules. My dear student, subject plus wish plus subject. My dear student, please look. If you see subject plus wish plus subject in any assertive sentence, then if you change from assertive to exclamatory, then you have to follow this rule. If plus subject plus verb plus ex plus the symbol of exclamation. My dear student, so first subject plus wish, you have to cut subject plus wish. You have to pen through this subject plus wish. So my dear student, now I am writing an example. I wish I were a king. So my dear student, firstly we have to change I wish, and in lieu of these words we have to get if I were a king. My dear student, and at last you have to use the symbol of exclamation. So my dear student, you have to remember that subject plus wish. If you see subject plus wish, then you have to get, you have to change subject plus wish, you have to use it, and after this no sense, after you have to remember that after wish no sense of the word. Okay, my dear student, so the right answer is I were a king. My dear student, I am going to the next rule. My dear student, I think you are clear about this rule. Subject plus wish plus subject plus food. My dear student, please look. If you see subject plus wish plus subject plus food in any assertive sentence, then if you want to change from assertive to exclamatory, you should follow this structure. Firstly, would that plus subject plus food plus extension plus the symbol of exclamation. So my dear student, you have to cut out subject plus wish. First subject plus wish you have to give up, you have to cut out. So my dear student, and if you see after wish could, then firstly you should use would that, and then subject, then the rest part of the sentence. Now I am writing an example. Now my dear student, I am writing an example. I wish I could be a pilot. My dear student, this is assertive sentence because in this sentence subject plus wish plus subject plus could. So now if you want to change, then firstly you have to use would that, and then firstly you have to cut this word, and rest of the word you have to use I could be a pilot. Okay, my dear student, this is the right answer. So my dear student, I think you have learned a lot about assertive to exclamatory sentence. Okay, my dear student, this is the end of today's online class. See you next class. But till then, my dear student, take care of your health, and you must, of course, you must be careful about your health and the health of your family members. Thank you, my dear students.